In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download WPS Office on laptop. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your laptop and go to the official WPS Office website at wps.com. Make sure you are on the correct site before downloading anything, since using the official website is the safest way to get the installer. Once the website loads, look for the free download button. It's usually easy to spot on the homepage. Click that button and the WPS Office installer will begin downloading to your laptop. Depending on your internet speed and browser settings, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. Give it a moment and wait until the download is fully complete before moving on. After the installer has finished downloading, open your file browser and go to the location where downloaded files are usually saved. In most cases, that will be your downloads folder. Find the WPS installer you just downloaded, then double-click it to launch the setup process. When the installer opens, a pop-up window will appear. At this point, you'll need to check the box confirming the WPS Office End User License Agreement and Privacy Policy. This is a standard part of most software installations, and it allows you to continue with the setup. After checking the box, click Install Now. Once you do that, the installation will begin. You should see a progress bar and a percentage displayed in the WPS setup window. This helps you track how much of the installation has been completed. During this part, just wait for the process to finish. It's best not to close the installer or shut down your laptop while the installation is in progress. When the installation is done, WPS Office should open automatically. That lets you know the software has been successfully installed and is ready to use. From there, you can start exploring the app and using its tools for documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. And that's it. That's how to download WPS Office on your laptop. If you're following along, just make sure each step is completed in order. Go to the official website, download the installer, open it, accept the agreement, and click Install Now. Once it finishes, WPS Office should launch automatically and you'll be ready to go.